Hi, I'm Sarah, and today we are going to simplify left join and right join so they are easy to grasp. If you have struggled with how to merge tables while keeping all records from one side, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Imagine you have two tables, but you want to keep everything from the first one, even if there is no much in the second. That's what left join does. Left join summed up in 2 points. All rows from the left table are returned. If there is no match in the right table, you still get the left row, with nulls for the missing right table data. So here are our two tables side by side. On the left, we have got table 1 and on the right table 2. Now, unlike in a join which keeps only the matching rows, left join keeps all the rows from the left table no matter what. If a matching row is found in the right table, it pulls in the data, but if there is no match, the row from the left table is still kept, and the columns from the right table will just show null. In our example, the first two rows have matching IDs in both tables, so we get complete result for them. When there is no match in the right table, the rows from the left table is still kept, like for the ID 300. The columns from the right table just show nulls, but nothing is lost from the left table. The real order of execution begins with the from clause, so first SQL looks at the left table, table 1, then it moves to the left join, it brings in the right table, table 2. Next, it applies the uncondition. This compares values in both tables and finds matching rows, while still keeping every row from the left table even if there is no match. And once the join is complete, SQL moves on the select step. It retrieves the columns specified. Now let's move on the real-world example. Using our employee database, we have a business question. Which employees have never been department managers? If you haven't seen our introductory database overview yet, pause here and check that out. It will help this part make a lot more sense. We are working with two tables, department manager, which contains employee number and department number and date. Employees, which contains employee number, names, and all the details. Our goal is to find out which employees that have never been department managers. To do that, we need to see all employees and check whether each one has ever been a manager. So we start with the employees table as our left table because we want to keep all employees in the result. Then we join it with the department manager table using employee number as the common column. If an employee has been a department manager, the department number will show up in the department number column. And if they have never been a manager, that column will simply show null. Now let's move on writing the query. Because this is a left join, we begin with the left table, which is the employees table. To make the query shorter and easier to read, we use an alias E. Since it's left join, the query will extract all rows from the employees table, meaning we keep all employees, even those who don't have matching records in the other table. Then we left join the second table, which is department manager table. Next, we specify the field we are joining on, which is the common column between both tables, employee number. Finally, we select the columns we want to extract. In the end, we get all employees with their department numbers if they have been managers. If not, the department shows null, making it easy to spot those who have never managed. Here is the result of the query, simple and effective. Instead of starting with the employees table as the left table, we use the department manager table as the left table and perform right join with the employees table on the right. The result is the same. We still get all employees whether or not they have been managers. This shows that you can achieve the same result by switching between left and right join, but left join is usually preferred because it's more intuitive to start with the main table. If you found this helpful, please like and share this video and feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. Thank you for watching and happy querying.